Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT understands and responds to your questions so well? The secret lies in its architecture called transformers. Hey there, welcome to AI Explained. Today we're diving into the game-changing architecture that revolutionized artificial intelligence. What makes transformers different from previous AI models? Unlike older systems that processed information sequentially, transformers can analyze entire sequences of data simultaneously through a mechanism called self-attention. Think of it like reading a book. Instead of going word by word, transformers can understand the relationship between all words at once. But how do transformers actually process information? The architecture consists of two main parts: an encoder that processes the input and a decoder that generates the output. The magic happens in between, where multiple attention layers help the model understand context and relationships. What makes this architecture so powerful? The self-attention mechanism allows transformers to weigh the importance of different parts of the input, much like how humans focus on relevant information while ignoring the rest. This has enabled breakthroughs in language translation, text generation, and even image recognition. For those interested in learning more, I recommend checking out 1. Attention is all you need. The original Transformer Paper 2. J. Alamar's blog on Transformers 3. The Hugging Face documentation on Transformer models. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We post new AI content every day to help you understand the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.